Hello everyone, in this session we have a scenario where you have reported to a new workplace and you are given a task of working on a worksheet that was originally created by someone who is unfortunately not there to take you through it. So accordingly, in this video, I'm going to show you one of the important steps you can take to get to know the spreadsheet details. And this step is displaying all the formulas in the worksheet at once. Here I have a simple data set. It has formulas and I'm assuming that it is new to me. So I want to display and be able to view all the formulas at once. We have various ways of how we can display and view all the formulas in a worksheet. One of the ways is using the Excel option settings. To access those settings, you come to the ribbon and click on the File tab. You click on Options. Then from the Excel Options dialog box, you click on Advanced. You scroll down, come to Display Options for this worksheet. Check this box, Show Formulas in Cells instead of their calculated results. Check it and click OK. Here you'll be able to view all the formulas in your spreadsheet. And when you click on any formula, you'll be able to view all the cells that are being referenced by the formula. Similarly, when I click on this formula, I can be able to view all the cells being referenced by this formula. To display again the formula results, you come back to File tab, click on Options, come to Excel Options dialog box, click on Advanced, then scroll down and come to Display Options for this worksheet and check this option again. And check it, then click OK. You'll be able to view the formula results. Another way is using the keyboard shortcut method where you press Ctrl and the grave accent key. The grave accent key is found on the extreme left of the row containing the number keys on the keyboard. So when I press the Ctrl and the grave accent key, I can also view the formulas in the spreadsheet. To display again the formula results, you press the Ctrl and the grave accent key. The last method is using the Formulas tab in the ribbon. Come in the ribbon and click on the Formulas tab. Come to Formulas Auditing Group and click on Show Formulas. That will also display all the formulas in your spreadsheet. Again, to view the formula results, you come back and click on Show Formulas. You'll be able to view the formula results in your spreadsheet. And this marks the end of this session. Hope it has been helpful. If you are new to this channel, kindly support by subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, like, share and comment. Thank you. Let us meet in the next session.